solving the medium level question from SQL series, the customer who bought all the product. So it gives us two tables, one is customer and another is product. So customer having two columns, customer ID and the product key, and the other table, product table, having a single column, product key. Okay, and the question asks to report the customer ID from the customer table that got all the product in the product table. So we have to count product for each customer ID. If the count is 2, like if the count is equal to this 5 or 6, means we have 2 product key. Okay, if any customer ID having 2 product key, then we have to return this. We have to return the customer ID. So select customer ID from customer. We gonna group by customer ID, and then we apply our condition having count distinct product key, which is equal to select count extract from product. So what is happening here, we gonna count the product table, so like 2, 1 and 2, and from the customer table, if the distinctly count is 2, when we are grouping the customer ID, like we group 1, like 1 2 3, so what it return if we group 1 2 3. So if the 1 having count 2 product key, then it return 1 as 3 as well as 3. So let's see. Customer ID perfect. So see, it written 1 and 2. Now submitting this question solution. So thank you for watching the video and stay tuned for the next video.